Hey 8th grade, this is Miss Harkness. This video is to go along with Eureka, Module 1, Lesson 1. In this lesson, we just briefly introduced exponents and exponential notation. You would have already seen this in 6th grade as well as 7th grade, but we wanted to start off easy and have a nice little review. Here on question 1a, it says express the following in exponential notation. This notation that they have right here and the dots that are in the middle are showing you that this number, this negative 13, is repeating. So instead of listing it out 35 times, we're given this bracket and the 35 times written below. So when it says to express it in exponential notation, the correct answer would be a negative 13 in parentheses to keep the negative sign with it to the 35. On B, it says, will the product be positive or negative? We learned in this lesson that when the exponent is an odd number, like a 35, odds and evens, that the negative sign would still exist in your final solution. It would need to be an even exponent to make all those negatives cancel out. You can see by my answer here that I wrote exactly what I just said. It would be negative. The odd value exponent would keep the negative from canceling out, which is good to know for when you are checking your work to see if your value should have been positive or negative. Question 2 is pretty simple. It just says fill in the blank. Based on question 1, where it said 35 times written below, here, although it's kind of small, but it would be 4 times. And that is because the exponent right here is a 4. And then on this final question, it says, Arnie wrote negative 3.1 becomes negative 3.1 to the 4th. Now the question's asking, is Arnie correct in his notation? Why or why not? As it stands, his math is correct. It would be negative 3.1 to the 4. However, he forgot his parentheses. It should be negative 3.1 to the 4th. That's what would correct his notation. So again, the question's saying, is he correct in his notation? No, he is not correct. His notation is lacking parentheses. So that's all there is to this exit ticket from Eureka, Module 1, Lesson 1. Nothing super complex. Hope this helped.